Obstacles are not just roadblocks, but guiding forces. Instead of viewing challenges as disruptions, we should approach them as opportunities for growth. Each day, by focusing on what we can control, our actions, thoughts, and responses, we cultivate the mental strength to thrive, no matter the circumstance. By embracing a mindset of practicality and perseverance, we can use difficulties as opportunities to practice patience, humility, and resilience. Perception, action, and will determine how we overcome obstacles. By facing challenges, taking action, and enduring with willpower, we transform obstacles into opportunities, living with greater purpose and clarity.